Sallie Tomato, and we are working through unboxing our Advent box. So today is December 20th. We're opening day 20. If you're following along, you'll want to find the gold tube, and it says day 20, enjoy this gift all year long. Visit our blog for a free tutorial on how to make a poster hanger from paint sticks. So that's kind of a sneak peek of what's inside. We have a unique gift to share with you. So let's open it up and see. So I hope you're excited. And here we have a fun poster for you to hang in your sewing room. So this poster says you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. So here's just a little inspiration for you to have in your sewing room. And like I mentioned on the sticker, it says to visit our blog and you can create a poster hanger using paint sticks. So here's how it looks after the hanger is attached. This is a very simple tutorial and I absolutely love quotes. So it's fun to have this as motivation and inspiration in your sewing room. I hope you liked today's gift and are looking forward to tomorrow. We'll open up another present. See you then.